In this video, we'll show you how to get lower processes in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you want to reduce those high processes count eating up your CPU and RAM, making everything laggy and slow, this is for you. Windows 11 runs way too many background processes by default that constantly fight for resources, but you can easily cut them down. So if you're looking to boost performance, speed up your boot times, and get fewer processes running overall, I'll walk you through exactly the steps you need to take. So first, you can press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open Task Manager, and then here on the left tab, you want to go to Performance, CPU, and at the bottom, you can see the number of processes that you currently have. So mine is 305. Now let's start cleaning things up. You can go to the Processes tab, and here you want to look for apps, services, or background processes that you don't really use. You can sort it by CPU or memory to see which one with the highest resources hogs. You'll see apps like browser, chat programs, or random updaters eating up resources. So for example, this, I don't really use it, and what I can do is right click on it and hit End Task. Scroll through again and look for another apps or background processes that you don't use. Here's another one, right click on it, hit End Task. Notification Manager, I don't use it, right click, End Task. This one, right click, End Task, and you want to close as many apps and background processes as you can. But be careful to not close any Windows important services. Only close apps or services that you recognize. Alright, after you're done, you can go to Startup Apps on the left, and here you'll see every single program that automatically launches when Windows boots up. You can go through the list one by one or just sort it by status. So here I can see apps that's starting up when I just turn on my PC. So for example, this AGC, this is Adobe, and you'll see on the startup impact, it's high. So what I can do is right click on it and hit disable. We can do the same for apps that we don't want to start with Windows. For example, Copilot, right click, disable, Microsoft Copilot again, right click, disable, Spotify, right click, disable, Spotify launcher, right click, disable. Alright, after you do that, you can go to Services tab on the left, and on the top right, you can click the three dots and hit Open Services. You'll see hundreds of background services running on your Windows, and what we're gonna do is stop them from running and disable them from starting up with Windows. So for example, here, Adobe Update Service, you're gonna right click on it, hit Properties, and then you're gonna change the startup type from automatic to disable, and if it's running, you can hit stop to force close them, hit apply, and OK. Let's repeat the process again. For example, another Adobe Update Service here, right click on it, hit Properties, change the startup type to disable, and stop it from running, hit apply, and hit OK. Another service that you can close and disable is Phone Service. Right click on it, hit Properties, set it to disable, stop it from running, hit apply, and hit OK. You can stop as many services as you possibly can, and after you do that, you can go to the Start menu and type in Installed Apps. So this one, open it up, and here you can scroll through and look for apps that you don't want to run in the background. For example, Quick Share, click the three dots and go to Advanced Options. Under Background App Permissions, you want to change it to Power Optimize or Never if you don't want them to run in the background at all. Go back and look for another app to disable. So another example is Copilot. You can click the three dots, go to Advanced Options, and then change the background app's permission to Never. Go back again. Mail a calendar if you don't use it. You can click the three dots, go to Advanced Options, and then you can change it to Never. Here's another one, Microsoft Copilot again. Click the three dots, Advanced Option, change it to Never, and basically disable as many background apps as you can. Alright, you can close this, and now you can press Windows plus R and type in sysdm.cpl like that. Hit OK. And it'll open up System Properties. Here, go to the Advanced tab, and under Performance, hit Settings. Here for Visual Effects, you want to select Adjust for Best Performance. You can enable something like animation in the taskbar, show thumbnails instead of icons, and smooth edges of screen fonts. Hit Apply, and hit OK. Now you can close this, go back to Start menu again, and type in Task Scheduler. So this one, open it up. Now here on the left bar, expand Task Scheduler library, and you want to browse through all the folders. Let's drag this so we can see the name. And here we're going to stop automated background jobs from launching processes at random times. So for example, Adobe CG Invoker. This one I don't really need. Right click on it and hit Disable. Now you can scroll down and look for any third-party software updaters and disable them. Alright, you can close this, and now we're gonna go back to settings. So let's go to the Start menu, type in Settings, open it up. Here, go to Personalization, go to Taskbar, and then you can toggle off widgets. After you do that, you can go to Gaming tab on the left, go to Game Bar, and here toggle everything off. Now you can close that, and lastly, we're gonna run a virus scan because malware can spike up your CPU and RAM usage. So go to the Start menu and type in Windows Security, this one, open it up. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, and under Quick Scan here, go to Scan Options. Here, I recommend you to do a full scan. It will take a little bit more time, but it will check all files and running programs on your disk. So just select it and scan now. And also, if you suspect your PC has malware, you can select Microsoft Defender Antivirus. This will restart your PC and scan it offline. Alright, after you do everything, you can restart your PC, and now you can press Ctrl+Shift+Escape again to open Task Manager, go to Performance, CPU, and here you'll see the number of processors on your PC will go down. And that's it.